So what I'm doing there, if I can see that it's low, I'm getting the sharp part right below my knee. I'm trying to make that land on the shin. So go ahead. Okay. And go ahead again. And I can start to feel where that's at. Okay. Already, people will start to change. Now, here's the thing. Like if you throw another low kick from your back leg, okay, this isn't as effective. That actually starts to hurt me, okay? I want to get the lower part right below. Everybody is built a little different, but I have like a real knot right below my knee. That's it. And I'm just looking where that's going. One more time. A little bit higher. Go ahead. Just watching this, okay? Watching the hip. Okay? And I'm keeping this up, all right? This is one of my favorites if you go high, okay? Covering. I can even, if I don't know where it's going, go ahead one more time. Covering my bases. Now, here's one of the things that I really want to talk about. It's angling that out just a little bit. Now, don't go too hard because you'll feel it through this, okay? We're here. Go ahead. Right there. My last thing for the kick, when people kick incorrectly, if their hip isn't turned over, I like to drop my elbow. Go ahead again. Drop my elbow. I can actually pick it off across. And then I'm going to pick it off different. From the back, over here. Get good at having your weight evenly distributed like a good fighter, and so I'm able to, that's why if I have a bad stance, I can't check correctly. I can't check from my back, I can't check from my front. So I'm going to check from my back again, from your, right over here, okay? Really important for mid kicks, okay? You're going to go mid. That's it. Now this is the important one. When Brittany goes high, go ahead. I like to double up here. This can be good, go ahead. But for some reason it's awkward. That's why you'll see a lot of southpaw against right-handed get knocked out with the left high kick because it's coming from an odd angle. So I want to just turn my body. That's it. Both, not one at a time. That's right, both at the same time. One at a time is going to get your arm broken. We're going to have Brittany go full power to my body here, and this is where we're going to get into later in Ninja Tank, is how to take it to the body. That's it. And one more, okay? Full through, fall through. That's it.